Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LendingClub for passive income, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create an account on the LendingClub website. Visit the LendingClub homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your email. Log in to your new LendingClub account. Complete the necessary identity verification steps. Provide information about your financial status, including income and investment preferences. Set your investment goals, whether you seek short-term gains or long-term growth. Familiarize yourself with the LendingClub platform and available investment options. Browse through the loan listings available for investment. Take note of the risk ratings and historical performance data provided for each loan. Select loans that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Decide the amount you wish to invest in each selected loan. Diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risks. Once you make your selections, confirm your investments and fund your account. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the LendingClub dashboard. Reinvest any returns to accelerate your passive income growth. Stay updated on LendingClub's policies and market trends. Adjust your portfolio as needed to align with your ongoing financial goals. Celebrate the progression of your passive income as it grows over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.